Damn, I am so freaking full. Oh god. Alright, sorry for the interruption in the video, but as I'm eating this Netflix and chill, because I'm about to Netflix and chill all night with my left hand, I did fail the 10 times spicy noodle challenge, unfortunately. I couldn't eat it all. It was just too much food. So, here's what happened. But I hope you enjoy the 4 times fire noodle challenge right afterwards, because I did complete that after everything was said and done. So yeah, hope you enjoy. And just again, it shouldn't be too bad. A little montage of me suffering and attempting to do the 10 times spicy noodle challenge. Today's cold, but let's start off today's video with the fact that I have all 4 different flavors of spicy noodles from this company, Samyang. And this is the original spicy noodle, the black one. The ×1 fire noodle challenge. The red one is the ×2 fire noodle challenge. The pink one is what I deemed the 0.5 because it's just a little bit spicy and it's cheese. So it actually doesn't taste too bad. But I thought it was the mala, so I trolled myself. And this one, this purple one right here, or magenta, or something like what people call pink too, mala, the ×4 spicy noodle challenge. What am I doing today? I'm gonna put them all separately. I'm gonna actually not mix them all together in one big pot because it's kind of gross already. Well, this is kind of gross already. But I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 on a plate, and we're gonna try each one and try the spiciness. And just to make it a challenge, once I try them all and kind of gauge the amount of spicy, I'm gonna do the fire noodle challenge with every single one of these and see how fast I can eat every single one without drinking milk. Will I enjoy this? Sort of. Will I be in pain? Yeah. I'm gonna have my phone right next to me unless I need to call somebody to bring me to the hospital. I think it should be fine. The one chip challenge was worse. Alright, so let's cut to the cinematic footage I shot last time and then insert a little bit more for all of them. Woo! We're back. Cooking's all done. Let's just start it off right here. We have the 0.5, the spicy carbonara that I tried and was not spicy at all to me. The ×1, I've tried this before. The ×2 spicy noodles, I've tried this before. But I've never tried the mala, the quoted ×4. And if you add all these numbers together, I know this is not how multiplication or anything works. I am doing the 7.5 times spicy noodle challenge. And that doesn't sound great. So I'm gonna make it 10. Right here, I made 2 more. I have the 0.5, one more, and then I have a ×2 right here. I know it's not 10 literal like packages, but you know, 10 times the spicy, bro. In my head it counts. So I'm just gonna start off tasting it. So I'm gonna start from the least spicy, just a bite. Okay, so between the 0.5, the 1, and the 2, not much difference. Just progressively gets spicier. I already had the hiccups, so this is not gonna look good for me. And let's just give the mala a little taste. Ugh. If you know what mala tastes like, it has some heat. I'm gonna get a glass of milk first in case I give up on the challenge, but in here I'm already feeling it. Alright, right here, I got my big cup of milk in my crunch cup. Watch that video. So this time I'm gonna actually put a timer because it's actually spicy. For this 10 times spicy no challenge, how fast can I finish this? As we all know, it's a proven fact that water does not help spicy, it makes it probably worse. I'm drinking water because I don't want to choke on my noodles. I wish this would magically disappear. Oh shit. Whoa. It just got 1 plate. Oh my god. Damn, how did I finish those other 5? Oh, Jesus Christ. Damn, I am so freaking full. Oh god. Alright, do you see this mug? This beautiful, ugly mug? Yeah, I puked half it out because I just can't. Oh my god. Give me a second. Let me chill. Oh, it's cold. But you know what? Okay, whatever. This is the mala So times 4 fire noodle challenge. I keep calling it spicy, fire, interchangeable. It's the same thing to me. Well, I just can't do it, dude. It's too much. I yield. I probably won't be doing any more high volume challenges, but I may do more donuts still because donuts are a little different. But yeah, that was about almost 3,000 calories. Just so peeked it out, and I was still like, I can still do the mala fire noodles. So I did that, and in my opinion, it doesn't taste that great to me because I don't like mala as much as the next person does. But it is really spicy. It's the kind of spice that like you eat it, and you don't realize it until it starts hitting you, and you're just like, oh my god, it's so damn spicy. So unfortunately, not my noodle, but it is. I think it might be. I don't know if it's as spicy as times 2, maybe spicier than times 2. I can't really feel it. My mouth's kind of messed up already because I puked out all the spicy. So I ate it all, and then it went away for a second, and then it came back up. My mouth's all messed up. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna enjoy again, like I said earlier in this video. I'm gonna enjoy the Netflix and chilled Ben & Jerry's, and do a little Netflix and chilling myself.